Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a simple roux for mac and cheese. First, gather your ingredients: butter, all-purpose flour, and cold milk. A roux is the foundation for many creamy sauces, and getting it right is key for a smooth mac and cheese. We'll use a 1-to-1 ratio of butter to flour to start our delicious base. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Watch it carefully to ensure it doesn't brown. Once melted, quickly add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Whisk these 2 ingredients together continuously. This creates a smooth paste, which is the initial stage of your roux. Keep whisking to combine them thoroughly. Now, continue to cook the butter and flour mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes. It's crucial to whisk constantly during this step to prevent any burning and ensure even cooking. You're aiming for a pale, blonde color, not a dark brown. This light roux will provide a neutral flavor, perfect for your mac and cheese sauce. Keep that whisk moving. Finally, it's time to add the milk. Gradually pour in about 1.5 cups of cold milk, whisking continuously as you add it. This helps prevent lumps and ensures a silky smooth sauce. Keep whisking until the mixture thickens to your desired consistency. Your simple roux is now complete and ready to be transformed into a rich, creamy cheese sauce for your mac and cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.